So you may not realize it, but I did a couple things wrong with my Greenstalk planter and it still looks great. So that's proof that you really can't mess these babies up. The first thing that I did that was not correct was when I first planted all of these plants, I did not plant them in each tier before I stacked the tiers. What I did was I stacked every tier on top of each other and then I put the plants in there. It's so super hard when you do it that way. I did it wrong. They still look great. The second thing that I did that was not right, well, was that I had intended to have one of the rolling caster sets at the very bottom so that I could easily roll it around, and I didn't have that. I just actually got that today, so we're going to be fixing these two situations. So I did have two situations with my Greenstalk planter that were not ideal, and from the looks of it, it really didn't make that much impact, or didn't impact it that much. So I have a really good feeling for how this fix is really going to help me, because as you can see here, there are some, like these guys over here are getting kind of leggy because they're not getting much sun. It does take quite a bit of effort to move it around, and so sometimes I just get lazy and leave it. So you can see this side gets quite a lot of sun, and then this side not so much. So you're gonna be with me here as I unstack all of these. Actually, do I want to do that? I don't know. We're gonna have to see. I'm gonna do a little bit of research into this and see what my preferred method of fixing this is actually going to be. So stay tuned. So actually, I think what I'll do is I'm going to harvest all of the lettuce from all of these different pockets. Then I'm going to take each level off, and that way I won't have to worry about damaging any of my plants, because I'll harvest them down really close to the soil so that there's not a whole lot that's sticking out that could be hurt. Because, so for example, this one here, like I might not be able to really adequately, I might not be able to fit these guys back in without damaging them. So I might as well harvest it because we're going to eat it anyway. So let's do that. Okay, so now that I have gotten all those extra leaves off, I'm going to take all of these individual tiers off and put the casters on, and then put the levels back on. Okay, so it literally only took me 1 minute or so to put these wheels on. There are 6 wheels here, and so these are locking wheels. So you alternate the locking with the ones that don't lock, and you just like pop it on here. So we're going to lock them, of course, and we're going to lock them, which when they're in the down position, can you see this? If they're up, they can roll, but if you flick it down, you can't roll it. So here we go. Now, so I took them all off. And now you can see here that those are the wheels, and now I'm just going to pop them back on. Okay, I just did it. We're all set. Here she is. I'll show you how she looks now that she's all fixed. Here you go. You can see the top water. This is a watering reservoir, and it clicks into place here. And all these other little guys click into place in here. And now I can roll this around easily. So let me show you how that works. Now there are 3 locking wheels and 3 regular wheels. So I just unlock them. And let's take a stroll. All right. Wow, so easy. Doesn't take much effort at all. And now I can move this anywhere I want to make sure it gets sun. So there you have it. Even though I messed up my Greenstalk in 2 different ways, it still looks great. I'm still getting harvests off of her every day, and now I expect it to be even better now that it's fixed.